Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change country or region on OKX app. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch OKX application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the top left corner of your screen, you can see a square-like box. Tap on it. With that, you'll come to this page. Now, just beside your email address on top, just tap on the arrow button at the right-hand corner. With that, you'll be led to this page. Now, simply tap on the option of country/region. Now, one thing you have to note down is that you can only update your country or region of residence once every 1 day. Also, updating it means you'll need to complete your identity verification again. Now, after reading in these details, just tap on Update. Now, just tap on the country box and you can search for your country or select one here. So when you change your country or region, your deposit address will also be changed. So simply tap on the option of Confirm once you have selected your country you want to change on your OKX account. So now over here you can see that my country has successfully been changed on my OKX account. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to change your country or region on your OKX account as well. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.